Good afternoon, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 607 Laster Street in Caldwell. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,121 square foot house built in 1999 with a newer roof, vinyl siding, fully landscaped. Again, the 2-car garage, and very close to the elementary school, which is right down there. It's got a little bit of room over here on the side, which is nice. You could always extend out this concrete if you wanted to for a wider driveway. It's got the nice extended concrete here, which I'm pretty sure was not original to the home. Covered front patio, and it has one of my favorite floor plans with 0 wasted square footage. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, when you enter in through the front door, one of the first things you notice besides the laminate flooring throughout is the open vaulted ceilings, newer white paint, plant shelves, room for any size furniture. You got mega couch here, lots of windows. And like I said, like no wasted square footage in this house. It's light and bright, and I don't even have this light on. Plenty of room for a spacious dining room table. Open kitchen. The refrigerator is included. Pantry space. Pool slider that has the built-in blinds in it. Out to the back patio, which also has a shed. Again, the laminate flooring. And over here we have the laundry space, or room I should say. Washer and dryer are included. This goes out to the garage that has a newer furnace. The owner doesn't know the exact age on this, but it looks like a newer furnace and water heater. You can see that it's nice and clean on top. And room to park a full-size truck. It's also painted, which is great. It's got the white walls in there. Some of the trim work needs to be completed in here. This is the Spacious master, his and her closets, or dual closets, and dual sinks in here, and a nice big shower and your toilet area. Again, the no wasted square footage. There's this, I mean, this is the extent of the hall here. And we head out to, again, the vaulted ceilings to the other side of the house, where we have the perfect use of space with a closet here, closet there, bathroom, bedroom, and bedroom. Approximately 10 by 10 here. Nice big window. Bathroom in the center with an elongated toilet. And shower, of course. And last but not least, the last bedroom, tiny bit smaller on this one. It's like the other bedroom was like 10 by 10. This one's approximately 9 by 11 or 9 by 10 and a half, something along those lines. Okay, let's go outside and take a look. Okay, heading outside now. Got the nice big backyard, some honeysuckle coming over the fence over there. Mature tree. Lots of grass. Again, the low maintenance vinyl siding and newer roof. Okay, if you'd like to schedule a showing of this, give your realtor a call. If you're not working with somebody, feel free to give me a call. Sean Taylor, 208-340-0000. Thank you. Have a great day.